What you're about to see is a collection of short films from the If Then collection. What women in STEM actually look like. Not just lab coats and equations. We're talking shark researchers, fashion technologists, Olympic sports scientists, engineers, coders, mathematicians, and so much more. Real women doing real work that matters, because if we support a woman in STEM, then she can change the world.
I had a microscope, I want to say from age 8. You can see little amoebas eat other little amoebas. It's awesome. I was on a fishing boat, saw a white shark. It ate my bait, and the shark was just so calm the whole time.
So not only am I able to work with volcanoes, but now I also get to work with space and space volcanoes and turning the rocks that we have here in Hawaii and in space into materials that can be used in space.
Sometimes you just have to overcome your own self-doubt.
If I can inspire just one girl to follow the dream of STEM and science, then I think I'm going to change the world.
STEM isn't one thing, it's everywhere. And the people doing it are everywhere too. Because the question isn't really if you could have a future in STEM, it's then, what will you do with it?